Hello children, today we are going to read a lesson about the tiny teacher. Now you might wonder, who is this tiny teacher? Is it a fly, a mosquito or a worm? Well, it's none of these. It's the most common and the most small insect that we find everywhere. Yes, indeed, it is the ant. This story is of an ant which might sound quite untrue, but it is very true as we read through. Ants are known to be very hardworking and intelligent creatures. Ants use their feelers or antennae to talk to the other ants by passing message through them. Each ant greets the other coming from the opposite direction. The commonest among ants are the red and the black ants who live in the ant hills. The ant hills have hundreds of little rooms and passages. In some rooms the queen ant lays eggs. Other rooms are nurseries where eggs hatch, while some rooms are storehouses for food. An ant's life is very peaceful as each ant share their work intelligently and bravely, and they never fight with each other in their group. Each one does their own duty and do not interfere in others' matters. The queen ant is the mother ant of the entire population of the colony. She lives for 15 years and has wings. Along with the queen ant, there are male ants or drones, worker ants, cleaner ants, and soldier ants. They all live together in the ant hills. After the eggs are laid by the queen, she then leaves the eggs to hatch and grubs come out. Soldiers guard them, workers feed and clean them, and also carry them about daily for airing, exercise, and sunshine. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoons and lie without food or activity for the next 3 weeks. Then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. As you can see in this picture, each ant is associated with some work or the other. They do not mix their work with others. Some look after the young ones, while some do their work as worker ants, while some are soldiers and train the younger ones, while the queen mother does the job of laying eggs and remains as the queen of the entire colony. The new ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. After a few weeks of training, the small ants are ready to go out into this big world of work. An anthill is also a home for other creatures like beetles, lesser breeds of ants, and green fly. Because some give off pleasant smell to the senses of ants, while some give sweet juices, and others are just kept as pets. The green fly is the ant's cow, and they are trained to give honeydew. Thus, because of these tiny teachers and their qualities, we feel that we should also learn something from them. That is, hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where we live. Thus, these tiny teachers are very truly and aptly called the most intelligent creatures in this entire world.